In today's video, we are going to make this most known RX7 anim car into a better build. If you played car parking multiplayer in public server, you must have seen this car multiple times. And so today, we are going to change the look of this RX7. Watch the video till the end and see the progress. So let's reset the engine and change the basic things. Now let's change the position of this anim. Now let's remove the unnecessary vinyl from this car. Now let's copy the design on another side. Now let's add some background to make it more attractive.
I wanna be delivered to the heart. I'll never mistake the way you give me my faith. My body feels safe in your hands. Feel me fully fade. I'm light as a fire that don't let me escape. The stars still remember the fall to our fate. I don't wanna wait. Every single part of me in flames. Tell me how it tastes. Let me be the harmony you crave.
Now let's add some badge with the remaining vinyl.
I want you to stay, please stay. Venom in my veins, deliverance waits for your hands. I am not afraid. I'm light as a fire that don't let me escape. The stars still remember the fall to our fate. I don't wanna wait. Every single part of me in flames. Tell me how it tastes. Let me be the harmony you crave.
Now let's add a carbon hood. And so here is the results. If you like this rebuild, let me know in the comments. I will make another rebuild.